Look up at the night sky, that faint shimmering band is our home, the Milky Way galaxy. It's a vast city of hundreds of billions of stars, each with its own story. But at the very heart of this galaxy lies a hidden monster, a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A*. Imagine 4 million suns crushed into a space smaller than Mercury's orbit. Its gravity is so intense that not even light can escape once it crosses the event horizon. Right now, this giant is quiet, barely feeding, a sleeping monarch at the galactic core. The stars near the center orbit at incredible speeds, their paths revealing the black hole's immense mass. We can't see star A** directly, but its gravitational influence is unmistakable. Occasionally, a stray cloud or star drifts too close, creating a brief flicker, a cosmic snack for the giant. But these are minor disturbances. The black hole is in a state of near starvation. This quietness has allowed our galaxy to evolve in peace, giving life a chance to arise on a small, rocky planet in its outskirts. The sleeping giant's calm has shaped the Milky Way's history, yet its slumber is not guaranteed forever. The heart of our galaxy holds the potential for unimaginable power. For now, we drift safely, under the watch of a silent, invisible force. Think of Sagittarius A** as a cosmic volcano, dormant but always capable of eruption. Most of the time it sits quietly, its true power hidden. But the right trigger, a massive cloud of gas or a star cluster, could awaken it. When that happens, the black hole would feast, igniting a galactic eruption. Material falling in would be torn apart, heated to millions of degrees, forming a brilliant accretion disk. This disk would outshine every star in the Milky Way, turning the galactic center into a beacon. We see this in other galaxies, quasars, where black holes are in a feeding frenzy. These are the universe's brightest objects, visible across billions of light-years. Our own galaxy has likely experienced such eruptions in the past. Evidence lingers in bubbles of high-energy particles above and below the galactic plane. The volcano has erupted before, and it will erupt again. For now, star A** is quiet, but the potential for chaos remains. The calm we experience is temporary, a pause between cosmic storms. The heart of our galaxy is a sleeping volcano, waiting for its next eruption. And when it awakens, the entire Milky Way will feel its fury. Picture a cluster of stars drawn too close to Sagittarius A*. The black hole's gravity rips them apart, flinging some away, capturing others. As gas and stars spiral inward, they form a blazing accretion disk, hotter than any star. The galactic center transforms into a maelstrom of light and energy, shining in X-rays and gamma rays, but not all matter falls in. Some is blasted out as colossal jets, carving tunnels through the galaxy. These jets sterilize everything in their path, disrupting star formation for thousands of light-years. The inner galaxy is reshaped, spiral arms buffeted, star nurseries silenced. The stable ecosystem of the Milky Way is thrown into chaos. Star formation could halt for millions of years. The awakening of Sagittarius A* would be a galactic cataclysm, altering the future of our galaxy. The silent dance of stars would become a storm of destruction. The monster's awakening would echo across the cosmos. What would this mean for us, 26,000 light-years from the galactic center? We're far from immediate danger. Our planet won't be swallowed, our sun won't be torn away, but the effects would reach us. The galactic center would blaze in our sky, visible even during the day. More dangerous is the invisible flood of X-rays and gamma rays. A powerful burst could damage our atmosphere, especially the ozone layer, threatening life and technology. Satellites could be crippled, communications lost. Thankfully, distance is our shield. The radiation would be diluted by the time it reached us. The most likely outcome: noticeable, but not apocalyptic effects. Life would probably survive, but we'd be reminded of our place in a vast, sometimes violent universe. The sleeping giant's awakening would humble us all. Should we worry? Probably not, at least not anytime soon. Star A* needs a massive meal to awaken, and nothing big is on the menu. The star's orbits are stable and the black hole is starving. Past close encounters like the G2 gas cloud were mere appetizers. A true eruption is likely millions of years away. We live in a rare era of cosmic peace, allowing life and civilization to flourish. If the monster had awakened earlier, life on Earth might never have emerged. So when you look up at the Milky Way, feel awe, not fear. We are here now, in a brief window of tranquility, witnesses to the silent beauty of a sleeping giant. For a fleeting moment, we are part of the universe's grand story.